Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change your WordPress website name. First, you're going to after you have logged into your website, you're going to the top left hand corner and you're going to select Customize. As you can see, my website at the moment is named My Blog, and then you'll simply select Site Identity, and then you can change the name right here. For instance, after you have typed in the name, you'll simply press Publish to save the changes, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.